Arrive in style with this Ram 2020 2500 Bighorn. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are bright white clear coat, black premium cloth bucket seats included, bucket seats manual adjust 4-way front passenger seat power adjust 8-way driver seat folding flat load floor storage rear 60/40 folding seat front seat back map pockets power 2-way driver lumbar adjust full length upgraded floor console, radio, Uconnect 4 with 8.4 display included, Google Android Auto Sirius XM radio service Sirius XM satellite radio integrated center stack radio. For more info call 800-643-2112 8.4 touchscreen display Apple CarPlay, sport appearance package included, body color grille surround black interior accents sport decal body color door handles painted front bumper painted rear bumper, transmission, 6-speed.